Yo, what's up guys, AK here and welcome back to another brand new video. In today's video, I will be doing an unboxing of my brand new mobile gimbal which I recently bought, which is the Zhiyun Smooth 4, and this is a really good gimbal which I've been eagerly looking forward to buying, and I finally bought it after seeing like so many reviews. So yeah, let's just get straight into the unboxing. The package is really small, and it's also pretty lightweight. Taken the black in color so I can use it with the phone, and the best part about the Zhiyun Smooth 4 is it can be used with any phone. It can be Samsung or Apple or any Android or iOS phone in the market. It can also be used through the ZY Play app. So let's get straight into the unboxing. So I don't have any special unboxing scissors or anything, but I just have a normal tape. Opening it, and then opened it, and there's this really hard styrofoam case in this. I've used the Smooth 4 before, but this is the first time buying any Zhiyun product. So we just have this small type of letter here. Let us see what is there inside. So this is the Zhiyun Smooth 4 Quick Start Guide. Okay, you can keep these paperwork aside. After that, this is the main box. It is a hard quality foam box, and yeah, let's just open it. So 3, 2, 1. So that is the gimbal itself. Wow, this looks amazing. So this is the Zhiyun Smooth 4, and it's actually pretty much very lightweight. So I've used the DJI Osmo gimbal for the phone before, and that was actually quite heavier than that. But if you can see, there are more advanced controls in this, where you can control it through your phone, and also this has a follow focus ring, and so there's a 1/4 inch thread tripod mount down where I can add this tripod which is given, and like any other short tripod which I have from Manfrotto, this instead of just shooting, I can extend the legs and keep it down anywhere, so it can be really helpful. Other than that, in the box of course comes this charging cable and a silica gel packet. So yep, that's it is there in the box. So let's get straight into the gimbal. So you can also use this gimbal without the app itself. You can use it in your normal camera, just charge the gimbal and then you can use it, but you won't get advanced features like time-lapse mode or anything like that, or you can't even control the focus of anything. So now right in my phone over here, I have the ZY Play app, and I already installed it yesterday, and so we just go first to the ZY Play app, and you can just connect it to the Smooth 4. You can see that, and you can see please connect device is okay to connect, and then yeah, we just need to switch on this. It's already full of charge, and let's see whether it is detecting. Oh yeah, it already came. Smooth 40912. So it's already connected to the gimbal. Now only thing which I need to do is I need to calibrate the gimbal according to the phone's weight. So I'm using a power bank battery case on this, so I think that's going to be a problem, because since I'm using an iPhone 5s, it will like just go very fast even if I'm shooting. So yeah, this is currently switched on. I'll switch this off. Yep, and now let's see. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please do hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be regularly posting from now. Till next time, bye bye and see you and peace out.